Welcome, today I'm Friday from Motorola Edge 30 Ultra and I'll show you how to change icons shape with Icon Changer app on this device. So first let's open the Play Store application, and then here in the search bar we should enter the Icon Changer. And now we should get this first application. That's why just tap here to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just tap here to open the app. Now click here continue to app, and here we will see all the available applications on our smartphone. For example, let's use the phone application. If you want to rename this app, you can make it by this way, but I don't want to do that. We can use the new icon from these folders with different icons, or also you can use photo from your device gallery, or also you can use the camera application right now to take a picture and to set it on your icon. So for example, I'll use this icon for example, and just to set it you should click on the right upper corner to OK. Now just we should skip the ads here. Wait a second. After that, click here add to home screen this shortcut. Then we can go to the desktop directly, or we can change the next icon by the same way. Let's go to the desktop, and now we can see this is the new phone icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.